Today we are going to be making Hollandia yogurt. If you want to see how I made this, please keep watching. Okay, if you are new here, you are most welcome to my channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, guy, you are most welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I'm using powdered milk. I'm going to be using 3 cups of powdered milk. This cup that I'm using is half a cup, so 6 of it is 3 cups of milk. Okay, so after this I'll be using 1 liter of water. Okay, so I'll first of all put 500 ml, mix it together, mix it nicely, then another 500 ml of water. So on medium heat, I'm going to pour in my milk and then let it get to a boil. As it is boiling, I need to stir it to prevent it from burning. So as soon as it comes to a boil, I'm going to take off the heat and let it cool down. You realize that there is a thin film of layer on top. I will just have to take that out. Here I'm using some store-bought yogurt as my yogurt starter. This yogurt consists of whole milk, sugar, and then active culture. The active culture is what is needed here. So I'm scooping all of this yogurt into the bowl. Yes, I ate some of this yogurt. I can't just have yogurt sitting in my fridge without opening the fridge 10 times, guys. Okay, there's another thin layer on top, so I'll quickly take that out. Next, I'm going to fetch some of this milk into my yogurt starter and then mix nicely. I have a video of how you can make your own yogurt starter at home. Please check that video out. So here I'm going to dip my finger into the milk to make sure that it is at room temperature before adding in my yogurt starter. So after this, I'll quickly mix it together and let it incorporate each other. So after mixing, I will cover this with a tight fitting lid, put it in an oven with some hot sachet water, as the yogurt culture needs warm environment to thrive. Okay, so this is my own way of keeping it warm. Tada! Our thick yogurt has formed nicely, but we still need to make Hollandia yogurt. So I'm going to scoop half of this into my blender. Okay, so I'm using half. I'll keep the other half for other recipes. Please, if you are enjoying this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe now and then click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload any new video, you will get a notification from YouTube. Okay, so now I'm going to put this into the blender, and then I'll be using strawberry flavor, okay, and then some sugar. The amount of sugar depends on how sweet you want your yogurt to be, but this is how much sugar I am using. So after this, I'll add 1 tablespoon of strawberry flavor and blend until smooth. I will also be adding some water to make that Hollandia yogurt, because Hollandia yogurt is not too thick and not too watery. So this is the end result of this recipe. It was so nice, and then my boy enjoyed it. So if you want to try this recipe, please go ahead and try it, and after that, please come and comment below how you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy to the end. I also tie some of the yogurt into small sachets and then freeze it. Anytime my small boy wants one, he just pick one. Thank you for watching. Bye.